Chancy garage again. It's Chance. And the junk that I ended up dragging home today is a Karcher pressure washer. Never heard of them. It's got a Briggs motor on it. Heard of them. We'll see what happens. Guy said, gave a story, said spray starting fluid to it, it'll run. Ran fine a few months ago. We'll dig into it and see if that's legitimate and what's next. All right, so strip back the hoses and kind of looking around it. So it's a Karcher 1750G, if the light will get right. 1750G. Appears to have an accessory. Somebody's put just like a standard water faucet on the inlet. You can close and open. So around the machine, looks pretty sanitary. That's a bunch of overspray. I don't know if this guy was painting or what. Kind of weird. So looking down here, it shows Karcher, made in USA. So that's kind of cool. Probably gonna start by pulling off this box and seeing what the carb looks like. So that's next. Don't have a shut-off valve on the fuel line. I don't know how much gas is in it. No, quite a bit. Great. So we'll try and pinch that off and at least pull the bowl, maybe the whole carb. I'd prefer to not jack with the linkage if I don't have to, but we'll see. Alright, so we're going to pull this line off. So what we're going to try and do is just pull this line off, shove this bolt up in there, and try and contain the gasoline. Maybe. Alright. Alright, plugged. Little funk. Yeah. See if we can see down in here. Not pretty. Alright. So I think what we're gonna do is try and hose it out with carb clean and avoid taking this apart completely, if possible. I'll just go ahead and pull this bowl, or this float. Let's get that out of the way. Ah! Just trying to tear. Ah! So still a little buildup. Probably more just discoloration than big particles. So float. Needle. Appears to be a metal seat on it. You can see a ridge really. Put that back in. Yeah, let's blow those out. And also this jet. Just got a brass brush, kind of try and clean up some of this buildup. And in reality, this isn't the best way to do it. It's the fastest way. You can pull that carb and get a bucket of Barrowmans and even one of those ultrasonic cleaners that I do not have, and clean it up real good. We're just going for quick and easy. Easy. All right, let's sew it back together. These ear muffs off. Whoop. So line up your needle, put back in this rod, pivots on. Our bowl, trying to line this gasket. It's not doing very good. Over tighten this, really warp that bowl. Okay. So we'll hook up the fuel line and see what happens. Kind of odd that there's no clamp of any kind. See where bowl's filling. Don't see any leaks yet. Let's see what happens. I think we're in the off position. Yeah. Go to the choke. Ah, that's promising. Sounded kind of like it just choked down. Let's move to the ground. All right, try number 2. Back is full choke. We're gonna pull the plug. Oh, it's loose. My goodness. Wasn't even holding compression. So, let's see. Less than hand tight. You kinda, pretty ugly. Definitely damp. We'll clean it up. All right, plugs. A little better. We'll see what happens now. Well, let's try and blow some out. All right, round 3. All right, we're gonna put some fresh gas in and see if that helps. All right, I'll give her another go. Alright, so we got it running. I'm gonna throw the air cleaner back on it, see if it smooths out a little more. Kind of wanted to run with the choke on. Maybe a fuel issue, maybe it just wants a filter, but we shall see. See if she runs any different with the air filter. That's full choke. so I'd say that's a win. Probably tomorrow I'll get out and pressure wash something. But everybody always wants to know, and I'm the same way, what'd you pay for it? So gave $25 for it. Bought it off Facebook Marketplace. So I think we're money ahead. All right, it's the next day. Got the pressure washer outside and hooked up to water. We're gonna wash on the old well house here. North wall is getting a little moldy. We'll see how it goes. Alright, got the well house all washed up. Looks a lot better. I feel like the pressure washer did what it was supposed to do. Should have got a before shot, but I can't now really. We got the Karcher pressure washer. I'm happy with it. So this one may hang around. So see you next time.